The new buildings are a very exciting phase for the college. We're intending to move into them in September 2010, and we're intending to have a very integrated, intelligent building to look forward to. Integrated means that the technology will all be part and parcel of the normal, ordinary, everyday example of what the students can expect to learn in terms of their environment. And the intelligent part of it is about using technology to allow the workings of the building to be communicated to students so that they can understand how that works. So for instance, in construction and areas like that, they'd actually be able to learn from the process of what the building is doing. One of the major design features of the building is that walls, while they will exist, we're trying to reduce them as much as possible, and where they do exist, they will tend to be glass. Yes, we have the concept of a street, but that is on the entering two wings to the building, that you'll be able to come across areas like, for instance, beauty, where a member of the public will be able to come into the beauty area straight from the outside of the building without having to go through teaching areas first. We have a basic policy of openness. And so wherever possible, we want to encourage students, staff, everybody to be able to use that network as part of their ordinary everyday activity. That means that the whole of the college will be covered by a wireless network and that anybody should be able to access that network from anywhere in the building. The access will be from anywhere within the building and from the majority of the outside of the building too. So, for instance, sports students would be able to open up a laptop on the field where they were doing some activity and would be able to analyse their activity. We also have the concept of a huge atrium in the centre of the building. The idea of the atrium is that that is a public space, and so therefore we'll have, for instance, demountable furniture within it, so that it could be used to, say, launch a car or some sort of activity like that, whereas in the more traditional sense of the college use of the building, that would be an area where activities like students working on laptops or eating and drinking can spill over into that space, so a very multifunctional space. That area is both a performance space, but we also have a performance space separately within the college as well. But the idea is that that space is so large that it would be able to accommodate large numbers of people.